Attainment's Community Success app is designed to help users with disabilities prepare for and become more independent on community outings. It is well developed and shows a true understanding of the many complex skills that one needs in order to access the community with independence. The app is broken up into 5 categories: getting around, at home, with people, out shopping, and around town. Within each of these categories are a number of tasks that are covered, including but not limited to riding a car, going to the library, riding in a bus, and waiting in line. Let's take a look at getting around.
Getting around your community.
Riding in a car.
As I just mentioned, within each module are a number of different activities or tasks you can choose from. Within getting around, you can choose from riding in a car,
Riding the bus.
Taking a taxi.
Crossing the street.
Asking for help.
You'll notice that on the top of the page,
Crossing the street.
there are a number of different circles
Taking a taxi.
that include steps of the task, social skills involved, a story, and also a video. Most of them have all of these options. A couple of them do not have the video.
Riding the bus.
We're going to go to riding in the car,
Riding in a car.
and I'm going to start with steps.
Decide whether to sit in the front seat or back seat.
The app will then take you through
Open the door.
a number of steps that are a part of the skill of riding in a car.
Sit in the car and close the door.
You'll notice
Watch out
that
for your fingers.
the words are read on each page, and that's in the options category. You can turn that off and do different things to that. There's also nice illustrations of real people and real photographs rather than cartoon images or drawings, which I like.
Riding in a car.
There's also a story.
Most of us ride in a car.
I'm going to pause that again. It reads the story aloud, but you can change some of those options in the options category. You'll also notice within the story feature there are a number of words underlined.
Van. Van. A box-shaped vehicle large enough to carry a
By
group of
touching those
people.
underlined words, you can get definitions read to you.
Riding in a car.
I also really like the video model feature that's built into most of the task modules as well.
We're about to go exploring in one of my favorite things, a car. Cars can take us just about any place we want to go. Well, I'm ready to hit the highway. Are you?
The videos are embedded right into the module and user-friendly, and easy to watch and understand, which is a nice feature within the app. As I mentioned, some of the modules have a social skill button at the
Riding
top.
the bus.
I'm going to show you that within riding the bus.
Offer your seat to those who need it more.
Some general social skills that could help you when you're riding a bus.
Give space to others. You may have to stand if all the seats are taken.
Again, these are great for our students with autism and other disabilities who need very specific skills that are part of a task. Again, you'll notice the illustrations are pretty lifelike, and they show you the right way and, in their mind, the wrong way of doing these different skills. Within the Story app, at the end, there is a multiple choice
Most cities.
quiz with 3 choices per question. It is a nice way to check for understanding after reading the story within the app. There are a number of other options that are part of the app
Riding the
that you can
bus.
select on the main page by going to the Gear feature. You can also set up user accounts within the app if you have students that you want to keep data on from stories read scores on the comprehension questions, and so forth. There are also a number of accessibility features within the app, including the ability to use a switch. Currently, Community Success from Attainment is $39.99 in the iTunes Store and is available to use on the iPad. It is a good price for an app from Attainment that is quality and shows a true understanding of what our students with autism and disabilities need to access community outings more independently. A PDF document is available within the app to explain some of the other customizations, including those accessibility features that I just talked about.